The hospitality industry is like no other. I don't know any other industry in the world where you can start a business, put a couple of pictures on 1 or 2 websites, and are guaranteed to bring in revenue and bookings. This is a blessing, but it's also a curse. It's a blessing that you are guaranteed to get revenue, but it's a curse because you are over-reliant on 1 or 2 websites to bring in your business and run your business. I'm talking about Airbnb, Booking.com, and Vrbo. The problem is that when you over-rely on another business to bring in your revenue, then you are building your house on someone else's land. Airbnb, Booking.com, Vrbo, just like a fan or snap, I've got the ability to take away your business and your livelihood. And you may be wondering why this is a problem. Why will this affect you? I know hosts that are over 70% reliant on third parties bringing in their bookings, and they have lost their business because of this. So why am I telling you this? My name is Mark Simpson, and I give hosts all over the world the tools, the tactics, the training, but most importantly, the confidence to increase your direct bookings. I founded Boostly in 2016 with one big goal: to help 1 million hosts cut down on their over-reliance on the OTAs. And over the past 5 years, I have helped over 1,000 hosts with their website design, content creation, and training on all things direct bookings. And now I'm here to help you. I've been in hospitality all my life. I've witnessed the highs and the lows of this amazing industry. And if you are wanting to increase your direct bookings, increase your profits, cut down on your over-reliance on the OTAs, and get better guests coming through your doors, then this is the place to get started. Click on the link that you see on screen. I've got 5 of my best free tips to give you right now, as well as 2 top tools that you can get started with.